Wayne, you guys have a focus for the financial services industry, right? What do you see as one of the biggest blockers or opportunities for optimization or growth in this very competitive industry that you'd like to help your partners and customers with?
Two things. The first thing is that they spend a lot of time in spreadsheets. So what they're doing is they have a spreadsheet, they have it stored somewhere, and then they have to send it off to somebody, and they're having different versions of this stuff. And they have big, big spreadsheets. So if they could have one spreadsheet, real-time, co-edit, co-author these spreadsheets, that it would be a big productivity gain for them. And also, if they were sending each other links, so they're all working on the same version, that would be a big one. And the other thing is, they spend lots and lots and lots of time in meetings. And so if they could move to a quicker online video meeting format, where they're quickly in and quickly out of meetings, and throwing up documents real quick so they could collaborate, even if they're in the same office together, that would move their capabilities and their performance along a lot faster.
So we're not getting rid of the spreadsheets, because we know how that will create angst, but there is a better way to help collaborate. Thanks.
Yep.